Something very important I want to point out. These are very superficial scratches, okay? If it's a deep scratch, you can feel it with your fingernail. Usually then you have to do other things. There's lots of videos on doing that, but this is very easy to do or correct with this product here. It's called Lukat Fix It. It's a color and gloss restorer polish, but it has no wax in it. It tells you right there's no wax, okay? This is a paint cleaner, and I'm gonna use this right here because I want to remove this. Now, a lot of this is very superficial scratches, so what I want to do is clean it. Now, I got a microfiber towel and a terry cloth towel, but when you're polishing, it's best to use this, especially like in this case right here. Because right now, what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna polish this back. I'm gonna remove as much as I can without damaging the clear coat or anything like that, okay? Shake the bottle up first. I get calls, yeah, shake it, guys. It's okay, you can shake it. It's a cleaner. Remember, it's not wax. You're gonna put this on like this, and then no circles. You're just gonna go back and forth, okay? You're just gonna go back and forth. You're gonna clean the same spot. You're not spreading this on. You're just cleaning the same spot. You're gonna polish it, okay? Oh, now, the deeper scratches will remain, but the lighter ones will completely disappear. Look at that. So if you have superficial scratches, you put a box on your car when it was dusty, you put your chihuahua on your hood, or you have a goat, okay? You have a goat, and he jumped on your vehicle. Anyways, use this right here to clean it. Look how nice that came out. And I want to point out something. Look, I didn't put a wax on here. Listen. This is paint cleaner, not a wax. And I just polished out all those superficial scratches. So you use this not to make the car shiny, but to clean it. It shines there. It didn't. Now, I don't know what happened. They put a box on here. There's actually more on the hood. I'm going to try to get it, but it's really hard to get it with the camera. But look at that. I don't know if you guys are getting this, but it's completely gone. Now, remember, when you use this product, it's always a two-step process. This is a cleaner, not a wax. That is now squeaky clean, but you need to have some kind of protection on there. There's a lot of good waxes out there. Lots and lots of good waxes out there. But even at this point, you want something dedicated as a sealer. And that's what this is right here. Lukat EZ Sealer wax is just what it says. It's the kind of wax that'll seal the paint and protect it. Now, I'm gonna put some on the, I like using the terry cloth towel for this application too, okay? I'm just old school, okay? So, when you put this on, work it well, kind of like massage it into the paint. I mean, this, I don't know when the last time this got detailed, but sometimes when you use this, it just seems like the paint will drink it up. So you put this on, okay? Leave it on there for about 10-15 minutes. Remember, when you use this product, it's because you're bringing the paint back, you're correcting something, and now you can wax it, okay? So this, you can use this like a wax because it's got a lot of carnauba, lots of carnauba in it. But you can use it for light duty polishing or sealing like what I just did right now. I wanted to seal it and put some kind of protective coating on there. And that's what this did. Look how beautiful that came out. I'm gonna do a close-up right now with the camera, see if you guys can see the difference. Okay, so let's get up closer. So those scratches are gone. And again, those were not deep scratches. They were very, very light, very superficial. Look at that. You can't even see it anymore. And not only that, if you look carefully, there's this paint's popping. It's really looking good. That's because this is a detail job. Oh, you can see it. See, this is how the rest of the hood is, okay? But you saw what I did. You just get the cleaner. You just use this bad boy right here. You just polish back and forth. Now you still want to clean it in sections. Now, I know that if I clean this hood panel in sections, it's going to pop like this over here. Put the sealer wax on, it's done. I won't have to mess with this for another 5, 10, 15 years. Not that it's going to stay shiny, but rather the oxidation, because this thing's already starting to oxidize, but I was able to remove some of that oxidation as well. Anyways, I'm going to leave you guys with that for light scratches such as this over here. use this. It's called Lukat Fix It. Get it at lukatdetail.com. Thank you guys. Oh, and please like and subscribe. It makes a big difference. Get the word out, guys. This is a great product. It's paint cleaner. It's paint cleaner, not wax. And waxes are good, but you should be waxing good paint jobs, especially with these clear coats. The reason why clear coats go bad is they don't get cleaned anymore. This is the product. This is the product that'll clean them, bring them back to the remaining color and shine. Then you seal them and all that. All right, guys, this is Rob signing off. Join us in our fight against ugly paint job pollution. You guys have a great day. Bye.